Ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribing, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for say the yari no. Asa enyahu ehundru. Ghana for nyina yari. The na ekoso ye dwun ayenti ase. Say na ọman mu papa ba kwa be ye ọman pani a ase ya bra bo nyina ase ya reverse bi sa nsema ade ayenti bi da na esi ọman ne mu se helicopter da ko tie hwie nkrofo a mutina mu omo ahyi ai na me hu ye mabo ministers of state appointees kebi nanu je 2 days ya na say endro ya ese another helicopter ko to hwie nipa mienu mefiri mu enne yesi accident wa ha ochina yesi moja wa ha the next day yesi tanker bi ejuma nso ni ho yentua nurses ko ejuma ni ho ko fo omunya ejuma no so omunya ejuma yentua mo omunya ejuma na yentua mo just me bisa on say dey asen kra na ekosui enti mami ba ko e wo TikTok abe chire asem nem ani chire mu no chire say ade a esi no enye bibi keke o eye susuanso bia e ba ye Ghana phone yeso because of nyama bia ya ye eretia akufaro ni Dr. Bawumia enye se akufaro na se Bawumia no mabo yedua ba wo se nature on kama wo ho na kama no empe se ba sisi obi sana kama ye na ade enti so oye obi ade bi kra na nipa na nkasampo a kama hu sa ade a esi o ka se de bi mimpeni mpa we se me deal with you enye sa anka how come say Iran for ni US for we omukwa mutokwa de bia bana ye papers eba ne say na ye sorry pen na Trump and say mu de mu for fighter jet mu ko kum Iran supreme leader yeah because kama pese o tre NDC4 nyansa NDC4 so tre mu nyansa Iran US ye kra ya enye dit say Ukraine for ne Russia for the because Ukraine for ne Russia for the boots on ground you sina economy ni fuel be nam na imagine anka Ukraine for the bia enti ebusian for John Mahama His Excellency asem no de simple and tietia ko na ko poma Akufo-Addo acho ufri Akufo-Addo fia ko Bawumia fie so ni ho krampo a friend video call ne pa na cho na unu omo ndi ni ye kasa bia o kai e de ti Akufo-Addo utini kasa Akufo-Addo on oson to wenyini on wiaska esanse ni bushon for ho ma wiaska na man we utimi kasa atimi fra Akufo-Addo say achim Sakawa boys achim Sakawa boys asembe na description be na wan fan describe Bawumia pa uhene so aketia ebia wo ni obuson for the moon feel o but munti oman na bre yeah sometimes no oman peninu ya bibia ye nyina wetimi abre bom meka ya ebre bi wo Bible mu David obian smona na okoye population census wana nkofo satise omu wo Israel enti ebusan for yen pa John Mahama His Excellency a chose onkoye ne eseni ne efata. Let's go and listen to this woman that I like so much. I was seeing the next one, but before then, ebusan for your studio no Mumboy, why Mumboy naba never screen I say Mumboy kita mbia so okay edamase. Now to the video, don't go anywhere. Cheers.
Mahama, I just okok Nana Addo no ko bu kotodwe e wo nanim e pa na chew ansa Mahama betimi abu amamuo no me na me ka kire wo se wankọ Nana Addo any Bawumia ho anko pa o mache wa me na make catch say Nana Mahama obe won twetwede say ya obe won twetwede ode ne nsa so ha enye yi ode ne nsa so ha enye yi enim guase na beka no 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 aka say free party ne so because they say no hwe Ghana sika gold ene na was account for ye me nimbre Mahama nye ayi akan ni bo enso ne o sisa gold nyafo ne sure nyina sisa gold nyafo yes omoamoa no omoamoa gold ne say yi e de amani nua akoto private jet na odi go almost sisa gold ni gu na odi ko aman Europe to Europe. Yes, then oko save sika no odi ko gugu bank. Yes, the Ghana for mo se mo pene munya ho hwe Mahama obe won twetwede sa agese wa papa yi a wode wachi ni monyam ni aho fedua adu show boy adu gaga be papa bi. Yes, agese wo panacho achemfo no obedi ehun agro no onya ho hwe Mahama onya ho hwe hwe no ko aba so hwe nipa ewu hwe ne helicopter obi enipa mienu a yeso masanhye dworobe onkwa ye president be Nana Addo ba e hwan na wote se wawu ana se wote helicopter mu eja to mu da hwan wote bia ka kire me papa wote bia ka kire me
Dabi ma anti
adai eti Mahama we say owusu bempa busue ni bonsamba konso a wono ofre no so oye sofo no ono so yo kan ye no ka Ghana fotie ya kenye ne sa aba ne say okan wantie ana ono so aso ope bibia diawuo adiawuo ti no o sade ne sakogu Mahama so ebo mpa ye ma no se anyankopon se wa hu Mahama mobo enti no Mahama mla enti no anim guase na omudi gu ya papa adu show boy ene ya papa Mahamudu Bawumia papa bi no eno esunsunsanso ena nyankopon asotwe pa na nyankopon de ma Ghana fo asotwe pa ena nyame odi tria Ghana fo ka munya hu hwe enti Mahama ne de papa muntwamo because amamu no ntimi mu enehwe ye sika o masɛ ye pounds nyina ye pounds o masɛ no ene pounds 100 pound eba Ghana sika mu a hu de sika na bɛyɛ hu de bɛyɛ wa so sika no mu te sɛ ayi me hu sɛ de meka no enfofo o sɛsɛi me hu sɛ de menka no ada sɛ ti Mahama ono so be mu na musika Ghana de me so ono ka kire mo sɛ ba na oba no oba nyankopɔn wa na motoma na obe ton Ghana kuro no ti sɛ Ghana kuro no wo ton ba ti mu amwo Ghana no ene mo pe ba bi abo be fa de yi eti afiri mu wo kwaduro ye kokora ti sɛ mo be ye de wo musi abusuafo ho de na de oto aba ma Mahama bia no ono so be bre bi yes papa ti me de me no kakra me de betimi aka no sɛ o man ko papa we kyewa Mahama ko papa we kyewa enya ho kon bra ina make a kyewo ina say any dwuma plan.
All right.
Yeti kromu hanum ana malik basa appendix by what no mo asake ma kogu fie and my party is quiet. Ama, my party is quiet.
My default.
Why are you talking? Why are you criticizing? Ama so be mpawasama wonkawasem. Me if I don't like you, bibi who say bibi kobonia. Me sha me na kobon because after all I don't like you. I don't care about you.
Comment why or see all you hear is still maintain.
What kind of foolishness and daftness is that? Yet Tikromu Hanum, as a political party, everything is going wrong with MPP. And you're such a yanka. You open your mouth to talk. You better ghost people and your face and some of no makoso life you could do at them. Na me se bi mi pobia responded to her na samai obi bedi matama na ya me ya na samai obi a me hu na nimu da samai for me responded to samai for. There is everything wrong with our party. And see starting ye who as a political party. Yet so as a grow. And net chairman Blaine ya remanded no. A former chairman of a party like a new patriotic party. How did we get here, MPP? How did we get here in the first place? Yeah, ye be pia ni ehunu kwaya nkwa back. And I see a blindfolded ye, and ye be see baby ya babedri. And we still can't find our way back. Ama, anytime NDC wants to divert attention, they go for NPP people.
The sad part. Me yana say, Papa ne nefi. Ebi ni say ndey. Oma rushing the hospital.
Messi mama no susumuna so. Se si bibi ye chairman Blair. NDC for the only thing they will say, they say, "Obo be ko yo mani mu afu anu omo si apropro." E dey say kwotena na yi ase.
They will claim so yare ne yare dada.
Kwa ku yoko unni no se. Why? Okwasi animu abua biba ojejenchie. May common sense locate you. Say amen. Okwasi animu say we no
live and now repost live and my share.
What kind of nonsense is that?
The life for us, like
all of a sudden we are going after old men in this country. Meanwhile, is this same government? Ama the woman say abankuro we ya wobaye onrodin crofo MPP for allow almost say let them go through the judicial system. I will not manipulate things. Nobody will manipulate anything. They will go through the judicial system. They will go through if prosecuting woman no. They will go through it. And then NDC for buyer will say, me interested in the case Kofi. Me interested in the case in Kofi. This is what NDC did when they came to power. But ye ne MPP niya at once na niya remande no. Sometimes people keep on saying, say, Oforiata mpeso beba kroma. It is because of him kwa siya se be say to Oforiata. Oh Ghana da. Kopum say NDC be free power. Because NDC will publicly prosecute you before they can prove their case in court. NDC will go to court without evidence. They will publicly, press conference and prosecute you publicly without evidence. And this is what is happening with Omonkwasia Ora no. Are you in a case about who one by you media court? What who could to quote the creation? And now we are intending to see a Dubois. Judge, I will see a Dubois case so Yassano. They are finding it difficult to prove every case they leveled against people. Why are we like this? Why are we like this in this country? Ama eti bebreba ekoso e wo man we mu no eti NDC for omu hu ye. Omu who said the country is suddenly too quiet. Haven't they noticed? As we bia kananu atu. The country is suddenly too quiet.
Wait, me or mine? I'm not a starting, you know. At this point, I don't have the energy.
Are they not worried? Is the silence not worrying them? I mean, the silence is it not worrying them?
The thing is, if they were talking, there wouldn't have been this silence. Like silence, Amenko ohini buje ojina halum de obedwane eja mesisia ebusia fo mpa muto mfa nche me why me ametescom president makotwe naba mashada pa na matwe naba na me gro ho obedwane eja me your excellency
yeah ama
say
bibi aboko na onzo
nya me adum pa cho bedum jana ma me eja ato ha
Debbie ejare de e kasi edu na ama enya aduma.
There's a violence now. Once not the way you me test president. I can imagine. Honey, but too much.
Mame mo akua baso. Wo ne analysis wo de aba. Akua nya me hrawo. Isi se oman ni nyina no. Ye hwe oman ni nyina. Emu nipa bibiri na almost 49% ya dwenye. 49% oman ni nyina mu 49% ya dwenye. I didn't make us esi dan na NDC eba abamu omunya 2 years ye MPP eba abamu 8 years yenya mpanimfo bia no mo NDC a omo hyeda ekoprote niema se even yisi kro wo so kra no ombeku no and se obi threaten wo in a matter case ya wo de ba law mu ankasa kra na wo se nipa no ke ye no ne prosecute no obi ti se chemofoso ampofo wone nkofo hyeda hyɛ edam hyeda planning ye na nkanye audio ene leaky ya ka ebia by now ka maame adukwe Jane yisi by now ke yakuno ba ye nyina trasi din ehwe ya ebra omde ne court e wo senke prosecute no na ye de ofusu ampofo ene ye sie du nketia ne nkofo kotum akufu adba so ke munya ntoboase na momo ye mfa mara kwan so na bibia entodi na sie dum akotuma ye mfo muntum Mahama ba ya the first 2 weeks no ye ne say ofusu ampofo case me ehun hia me metwam cancelled wo klekle nkofo bebre clearing agent yanka ho hwe e wo man ni mu ye nyina ye wo ha na MPS bra 2012 Mahama e wa ban mu MPS so ofusampofo nsawo the same person na ofusampofo na MPS a shenensa okoto ma Chinese government ya no mo ni MPS e bohye e wotema 35 good years are we stupid as a
Edis omodo omonsa to network so anesa. O network ndi omodo omsa beto so cause eja na wo so ba na no ohye. But omoti menka ana
country are we stupid are we too
ohine wo network ne ha adwen pa. Yeah, sokra wa ha. Ebusuafo indeed sometimes you are in fact every youth of this country youth na